Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Porsche Macan. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on either door. Now we're going to have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has no dents or scratches on it at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the SUV. Back here, the trunk looks fine. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches back here. Also, the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Over here, everything looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on the quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look good. I do not see any dents or scratches on either door. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. I'm not seeing any wear on the seat at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, the door panel looks very good. I'm not seeing anything wrong with the leather. And also, the window switches are perfect. Let's have a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also, backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console. We're going to make sure that we do not have any wear and tear in here. Okay, the radio buttons and AC buttons look fine. Also, the performance buttons look good as well. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.